Hi kids, today we want to talk about grammar. I really like to write, so I need to have good grammar. Let's begin. Alright kids, let's study simple past. Okay kids, today we are going to be writing the simple past. Alright, how to make a question. Did plus subject plus verb plus object plus adverb plus person plus place plus time. Every simple past question is going to use the helping verb did. Look at the verb here. This verb does not have an ed. It is not an irregular verb. It's just the verb. Also notice in front of the verb there is no to. We do not say to plus a verb. No. It is did plus subject plus verb. Alright. In this homework we are going to be using an adverb. The adverb is going to describe how the verb happens or how the verb happened. Alright? It's very easy. It doesn't matter the subject. It doesn't matter what the subject is. We always use did. Alright, the answer, yes, comma, subject plus past tense verb, plus object plus adverb plus person plus place plus time. Here, when we answer yes, the affirmative statement, we must use the past tense verb. Alright, it could be the verb plus ed or an irregular verb. B, answer no. No plus subject plus didn't plus verb plus object plus adverb plus person plus place plus time. Look at here. Didn't plus the verb. Notice the verb does not have an ed. It is not an irregular verb. It's just the verb. Didn't plus the verb. Okay? It's all very easy. Just remember, the affirmative statement, we have the past tense verb or the irregular verb. And for a question or a negative, we just have the verb. Today we're doing homework C. Homework C. All right, let's look at number 2. Subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to ask, asked. Object, a question, questions. Color questions yellow. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. So the lab partner is a girl, so we can say with her. Place, in first period. Adverb, excitedly. Remember, subject, verb, object, adverb. The adverb tells you about the verb. So you ask excitedly, ask excitedly, asked excitedly. Time, yesterday morning. All right, these are very easy. Remember, we ask a question in the past tense, we use did. This tells you past tense. When we ask a question, we use this verb. Did Mr. B ask questions excitedly with the child's lab partner in first period yesterday morning? Yes, he asked. This is the past tense. Asked. Yes, he asked questions excitedly with her in first period yesterday morning. No, he didn't ask. This didn't tells you past tense. We use this verb when we use didn't ask. No, he didn't ask questions excitedly with her in first period yesterday morning. Past tense is very simple. You just have to remember in the question did tells you past tense. Here, the ed tells you past tense. Here, didn't tells you past tense. All right, very easy. All right, let's go number 3. Subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to answer, answered. This is the past tense, answered. Object, a question, questions. Color this one, color this yellow. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. The lab partner is a girl. See, lab partner with her, that's a girl. Place, in second period. Adverb, excitedly. Time, yesterday afternoon. Yesterday afternoon. All right, ready? Did Mr. B answer questions excitedly with the child's lab partner in second period yesterday afternoon? Yes, he answered questions excitedly with her in second period yesterday afternoon. No, he didn't answer questions excitedly with her in second period yesterday afternoon. Very good. All right, let's look at number 4. Subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to hand in, handed in. Object, one's homework. Well, Mr. B is going to hand in his homework. Remember, homework is a non-count noun. We don't have an S at the end of homework. No way. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in third period. Adverb, excitedly. Time, yesterday evening. Did Mr. B hand in his homework excitedly with the child's lab partner in third period yesterday evening? Yes, he handed in his homework excitedly with her in third period yesterday evening. No, he didn't hand in his homework excitedly with her in third period yesterday evening. Number 5, Mr. B, he. Verb, to correct, corrected. Object, one's mistakes. This is Mr. B. These are his mistakes. His mistakes. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in fourth period. Adverb, excitedly. Time, yesterday night. Did Mr. B correct his mistakes excitedly with the child's lab partner in fourth period yesterday night? Yes, he corrected his mistakes excitedly with her in fourth period yesterday night. No, he didn't correct his mistakes excitedly with her in fourth period yesterday night. All right, number 6. This is a tricky one, so pay attention. Subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, To erase something cleanly. Erased. This something is mistakes. Mr. B, it's his mistakes. So erase his mistakes cleanly. Remember, cleanly is an adverb. I'm going to call this adverb 2. Okay? Past tense, erased. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in homeroom class. Adverb, excitedly. I'm going to call this adverb 1. So, what do? Subject, adverb 1. Verb, object, adverb 2. All right. Time, yesterday at noon. All right, listen carefully. Did Mr. B excitedly erase his mistakes cleanly with the child's lab partner in homeroom class yesterday at noon? Yes, he excitedly erased his mistakes cleanly with her in homeroom class yesterday at noon. No, he didn't excitedly erase his mistakes cleanly with her in homeroom class yesterday at noon. Number 7, subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to write, wrote. Object, one's test paper. Well, this is Mr. B, it's his test paper. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in the computer lab. Adverb, excitedly. Time, in the morning a day ago. Question, did Mr. B write his test paper excitedly with the child's lab partner in the computer lab in the morning a day ago? Yes, he wrote his test paper excitedly with her in the computer lab in the morning a day ago. No, he didn't write his test paper excitedly with her in the computer lab in the morning a day ago. All right, number 8. Subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to take, took. Object, a quiz, quizzes. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in social studies class. Adverb, excitedly. Time, in the afternoon a day ago. Did Mr. B take a quiz excitedly with the child's lab partner in social studies class in the afternoon a day ago? Yes, he took a quiz excitedly with her in social studies class in the afternoon a day ago. No, he didn't take a quiz excitedly with her in social studies class in the afternoon a day ago. Number 9, subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to do, did. Object, a book report, book reports. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in the library. Adverb, excitedly. Time, in the evening a day ago. Did Mr. B do a book report excitedly with the child's lab partner in the library in the evening a day ago? Yes, he did a book report excitedly with her in the library in the evening a day ago. No, he didn't do a book report excitedly with her in the library in the evening a day ago. Okay, number 10. Subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to read, read. Object, chapter 1. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in literature class. Adverb, excitedly. Time, at night a day ago. Did Mr. B read chapter 1 excitedly with the child's lab partner in literature class at night a day ago? Yes, he read chapter 1 excitedly with her in literature class at night a day ago. No, he didn't read chapter 1 excitedly with her in literature class at night a day ago. Number 1. Subject, Mr. B, he. Verb, to raise, raised. Object, one's hand. Mr. B, one person, his hand. Person, with the child's lab partner, with her. Place, in the classroom. Adverb, excitedly. Time, at noon a day ago. Did Mr. B raise his hand excitedly with the child's lab partner in the classroom at noon a day ago? Yes, he raised his hand excitedly with her in the classroom at noon a day ago. No, he didn't raise his hand excitedly with her in the classroom at noon a day ago. Okay, do your homework. Very nice. Okay, kids, thank you for watching this video. Now I need you to do a big favor for me. I want you to like this video, and I want you to leave a comment for me. I want you to write, "Thank you, Mr. Radisha," and then leave your English name. Really appreciate it. Thanks.